Hello painting peeps and welcome. It's Kathleen from Creations. Welcome to the No Bra Zone number 4, guys. I'm happy you're here. I'm happy I'm here. You know that though. I did a swipe on the Artist Loft soft body acrylic and it just ate up my colors. I'm so sad that they changed from the soft body, from the flow acrylic to the soft body acrylic. It's just not my jam. I don't like it. And I've used these colors before and I created one of my most favorite swipes ever. So I'm gonna have to do something about that. But I came in here tonight and I go through what I go through all the time. I sit here for a while, I look at colors and I try to decide what I'm going to do, and there are just so many options. So many wonderful options. Sorry, let me adjust you a little better. And I decided I would do a pearl pour painting, which is very hard to say fast. Pearl pour painting, pearl pour painting. I love pearl pour paintings. I just don't like it when the pearls take over the whole canvas, and that's kind of hard to control. You got to practice them. I've learned a lot from wonderful, wonderful artists like Sarah Taylor from Sarah Taylor Modern Art, darling Tara Lombardi from Pieces of Tara, Elise Fournier, who kind of helped get things started. And there's some wonderful, wonderful artists out there that have really, really mastered this technique. And if you do something long enough, eventually you'll master it or get better as you go, because every time I do a different technique, I learn things from it. So I'm doing a pearl pour painting today. Our base coat is right here and it's nice and thin. And that's part of the secret of a pearl pour painting. That is Interior Satin Enamel Deep Base by Behr 7300. Different people use different things. I'm using this because I had it on hand. I also put just a drizzle or two of the DecoArt satin enamel into it. My pouring medium is paint, a healthy squirt of GAC 800, a healthy squirt of Liquitex, and a healthy squirt of Floetrol, and then water. How much water? A lot of water. When you think you've added enough water, you probably haven't. So a good amount of water, which has always scared me, but every time I've done a successful pearl pour painting, it has dried absolutely beautifully. Now my colors are kind of funky. I'm using a little bit of leftovers. I'm using Sarah Taylor paint here, a paint that Sarah Taylor turned me onto a while back. Right here in that cup we have Amsterdam acrylics, and that is their Van Dyke brown. Right here is my Sarah Taylor paint, and that is Charvin Indigo, probably one of the prettiest blues out there, guys. It's a not in your face blue. It's just a beautiful hue. This color and Payne's Gray are two of my favorite blues, and that's pretty. And this is a little funky, but I had it and I thought, you know what the heck, we'll give it a try. That is Amsterdam Standard Series, and that is their olive green light. A little funky with these colors, but that's okay. Sometimes funky is a good thing. Right here is Amsterdam acrylics, and that is their pewter. I love this color. And as you can tell, I think you can tell, I am almost out of it. And then this is fun. I've had this sitting on my shelf for a good long time, and this is the first time I am using this golden fluid paint. That is if I can say it right, Alizian Crimson Hue by Golden Fluids. This paint took the least amount of water because it's already a fluid paint, but our consistencies are very, very thin, guys. So I'm gonna fiddle, I'm gonna play, and then I'm gonna go inside and hang out with my man a little bit. Had a good day today. Traveled to Punta Gorda, Florida, and had lunch outside on the water with my brother and my lovely sister, Kathy, and it was fun. It was really fun. What else? I think that's it. Fluid art experience, guys. It's coming up, and it's coming up really fast, and I am so excited. Classes, a lot have filled up, and we are all grateful for that, and I can't wait to meet some new people and see some old people and see my artist friends. I'm very excited. A lot of talented people are going to be there, and each one that I have met has been absolutely all that I had hoped for. So Seattle, here we come, guys. Just a few more weeks. Come paint with us. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. Let's put some tunes on. Let's get busy.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching